What up, crypto warriors? It's Ultra Crypto back at it again. Today is Friday, the 7th of May, 2021, and we just completed a full week in the month of May here in 2021. Crazy how time flies. Right now, the time is 1700. I'm going to show you why that's significant. Before, a couple of hours ago, the market was pretty much red throughout the whole market over the past 24 hours, but we have recovered since then and starting to trend upwards, I think. And as the news gets out, I think we'll start to see the market trend even more green. Any coin that's in the red, they are pretty much, I think, people taking profits. Like you see Ethereum Classic down almost 25%, people taking profits. Bitcoin Cash down 7%, again, people taking profits. Look how much it's been up for the week. Look at Ethereum Classic, look at EOS. So nothing really crazy happening in the market, in the top 20 coins at least. And let's get into the news of what's happening. Here it is. This is coming from Twitter, from Eric Balkunas. I definitely butchered his last name. Sorry about that, bro. This thanks for the tweet though. Here it is. United States SEC VanEck files for Ethereum ETF. VanEck, if you've been in the space, you've heard this name before. VanEck, they have filed for a Bitcoin ETF in the past and been turned down on every occasion that they filed for a Bitcoin ETF. And I think maybe they're just going at attacking the SEC from a different angle, saying maybe we should file for the Ethereum ETF for the Bitcoin one. I don't know, but good to see. Good news for the space. I really don't think that we in crypto world here need an ETF, so to speak, because we got to this point, to these prices, without an ETF. I don't think we need one, but hey, if it brings more people in, so be it. Hopefully people will understand that they need to get the underlying asset and not just a paper IOU. Before I go off on that tangent, let's get into it. So here it is. With its own public offering, Wallet Maker focuses on easy to use stock sales. Exodus is a desktop and mobile wallet. And then they offer integration for, I think, maybe 50 or so coins, maybe the top 50, something to that effect. And they allow staking on their platform. I use their wallet. It's a great wallet. The thing is, though, I've been asking them over the past, I don't know, couple weeks, where I asked them, basically, now that they have this public offering, do they have access to our wallet? In this interview here, the CEO answered that question pretty much and said that, reassured us that it's a self-custody wallet where they don't have access to our wallet as far as what assets we're trading and things of that nature, and what assets we hold. We have the private keys, and we're the ones in charge of all the funds on the wallet. The reason why I was asking that is because now in the wallet itself, you're able to, well, not right now because the funding round is closed, but you're able to, if you did participate, if you did participate in the token sale of their wallet, for their wallet, right? Because they're going public, but through a sale to the public, not like an IPO or an ICO, but was not like a direct listing either, through a Reg A. That's what I was looking for. Through a Reg A, Regulation A, and they sold the shares. They raised $75 million. Here it is. While the focus of the live stream was the $75 million public offering of stock that Exodus movement has hosted and nearly completed. They completed it by now. They already completed. Inside its own Exodus wallet, Richardson reinforced this idea regularly throughout the broadcast. The thing that he wants is to be able to, us as people that are custodying our own assets, to be able to trade stocks. So in the wallet, now that we have these Exodus, they're called exit shares, right? Now we have these exit shares, we'll be able to trade from exit shares to Bitcoin and vice versa, all right? Or exit shares to any coin that supported it in the wallet to exit shares and vice versa, just like that. And that's the way how he sees the future. That's the way how I see the future too, that we'll be able to trade shares of our real estate that we may have, right? Of some building or some property somewhere within a wallet on our mobile phone and get Bitcoin, for instance, or trade out of Bitcoin and be able to participate in a funding round or things of that nature, right? Or be able to just spend USDC on the go. We need some more cash. We just trade some Bitcoin or trade some exit shares for some USDC, and we're able to spend that USDC all from our mobile phone. And this is what he was talking about, and he covered that in this interview. It's a very good interview. Check it out. And as always, everything will be linked in the description below. Next, we have, again, everything's coming from Cointelegraph today. All right, altcoins just repeated a move that could launch them 27,000% higher in 2021. That's a 270x, people. That's insane. So according to this trader or whatever, that he just says that this is just the beginning. And this is what he's talking about. This is just the beginning. We are right here, right now, the Altseason index. We are at pretty much all-time highs for the Altseason index. We hit 98 the other day, and right now we're sitting at a 94. In comparison to Bitcoin, over the past. So let's go 1 year. Yeah, still the same. Over the past 30 days, this is funny right here. Look, over the past 30 days, it's just been in the red. It's just been in the red. We are definitely in alt season, and let me go back to the 1 year mark. And this is where it typically, that we trade pretty much in the blue zone or whatever. But yeah, we are definitely in alt season right now, and these are all the altcoins pumping. What is in alt season? If 75% of the top 50 coins outperform Bitcoin, perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it is alt season. And there you have it. They've been outperforming Bitcoin over the past 90 days, and these are all the coins that have been crushing it. Congratulations to all the altcoin bag holders. However, I must reiterate this. I said this earlier in a call that I had with the gentleman of crypto. If you're taking profits, well, not if, when you're taking profits, you're only going back to two things. Either you're taking profits in dollars, right? Or you're taking profits in Bitcoin. At the end of the day, we always take profits. Well, me at least, I take profits in Bitcoin or Ethereum, and that's how I do it. So when you're, trading these altcoins or buying these altcoins or betting on these altcoins, you're not betting on them thinking that they're going to be the number one coin. You're betting on them thinking of a quick flip, or 100x in your money, 1,000x in your money, whatever the case is, and getting all these gains, and you're hopefully taking it back in the form of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even US dollars, because you may need the money right now. Okay, so again, these altcoins, don't sit there and ride them all the way to the top and then watch it dwindle all the way back down, because alt season cannot last up here in the red zone forever. It's not sustainable. All right, it's not going to last that long. So trade and plan accordingly. None of this is financial advice, of course. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Okay, so back to the article. All right, so one trader sees just the beginning for alt season. All right, for altcoins 2021 in a tweet on May 3rd. Rect Capital noted, I like the name Rect Capital, that at the start of 2017, the market cap of altcoin flipped its previous cycle high to support. That high had come in late 2013, and as a new floor level, it launched the market cap to a peak no less than 27,623,000%. All right, 23. I don't know what the hell I just said. 27,623% above it. All it took was a single year, and Rect Capital suggested that although almost unimaginable, the same thing could happen this time around in 2021. Let me see, go back down, boom, boom, boom. Let me see, if it should happen in 2021, that would bring our market to $152.6 trillion right now, from right here at basically $2.5 trillion. That's kind of insane to think that this market will just blow up like that. I can see the whole crypto market maybe during this whole bull run getting to, let's say, $10 trillion. But to go a full $152 trillion, I mean, the world must be on fire or something, and everybody's just dumping into crypto at that point. All right, I definitely see it. I could definitely see it going to these levels over a couple of years, but not during this bull run. You know, but hey, this is crypto, man. This is crypto. Anything can happen. All right, anything can happen. Plan accordingly. That's all I gotta say. Plan accordingly. Have an exit strategy, and know what. And stick to your plan. Don't get emotional. Don't get tied up with all these coins. All right. Don't fall in love with these coins. Don't love them. Trade them. That's all you got to do. Don't love them. Just trade them. All right. Get your gains and take it and put it into a more stable and, you know, a blue chip kind of crypto, so to speak. And we know that Bitcoin is pretty much here to stay. And we could pretty much say the same thing for Ethereum. And that's what I'm doing. Okay. Next. But yeah, that's crazy. $152 trillion in this bull run? I don't know, man. That's just nuts. Last but not least, Square's earnings 2.5x expectations. Bitcoin revenue up 1,000% in 12 months. Well, duh. Right? Like I stated in all my, not all, but, you know, in my previous videos where I talk about companies just adding Bitcoin in their ecosystem will raise their revenues, will double, triple, sometimes quadruple their stock. Just the fact that they have the word Bitcoin or added it some way, somehow. If in 2017 we saw companies just adding the word blockchain to their name and their stock shooting up, you know, 1,000%. And this is no lie. You can look it up, and like the SEC has to, like, you know, look into it. All right, just because they added the word blockchain to their name. So again, this is still super early. Any company that gets in and add Bitcoin or cryptos to their ecosystem, like legitimately add it like a Square does with their Cash app, then you know that company is going to do well, and you could front run it and get in from the ground floor, so to speak. All right, if you want to trade it. Not financial advice again. This is coming from the CEO, Jack Dorsey. We all know he loves Bitcoin. Our focus, first and foremost, is on enabling Bitcoin to be the native currency. All right. It removes a bunch of friction for our business, and we believe fully that it creates more opportunities for economic empowerment around the world, and it has and will. Definitely agree with him on that right there. Let's discuss it in the comment section below. Smash up the like, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I'm out. Peace.